tree trimming in Newcastle, PA. In Newcastle, PA, it's easy to overlook a branch that's creeping toward your roof, or a tree that's gotten a little too heavy on one side. Then, one calm afternoon, crack! A limb snaps, smashing the mailbox, blocking the driveway, or worse, damaging your home. We've heard it before. I knew it was getting bad, but I didn't think it would happen so soon. The reality? Trees don't wait for a convenient time to fail. By the time they give you a sign, you're already looking at repairs, cleanup, and an avoidable expense. That's where Andrew's all-around tree and shrub service steps in. We take care of overgrown, leaning, or hazard-prone trees before they cause trouble. Here's what we do for homeowners in and around Newcastle. Precise tree trimming to remove dangerous limbs and reduce strain. Thinning and shaping to keep trees healthy and your yard looking sharp. Safe clearance from roofs, driveways, fences, and power lines. Straightforward advice. No upselling, no hidden fees. A quick trim now could save you thousands later. Call Andrew's all-around tree and shrub service at 724-510-0852 or visit patreeservices.com for a no-hassle estimate.